India's commitment to safe, sustainable sanitation for all is seeing tremendous gains. A network of public and private entities are united by a vision of healthier, smarter, sustainable communities. They are developing solutions that involve entrepreneurs, new technologies, and partnerships. A critical element of this network is the India Engineering Field Testing Platform. The platform is run by a strong team of skilled engineers who bring communities and innovators together to drive efficient technology development.
Welcome to the Engineering Field Testing team in India.
Since 2015, the team has worked with technology developers from India and around the world. The engineers install prototype household and building scale sanitation technologies in urban settings.
People are at the heart of the sanitation challenge. I have been responsible of building trust with the communities so that the new on-site sanitation technologies can be evaluated in the relevant and most appropriate context.
To be impactful, new technologies need to be vetted and optimized by a well-trained team of experts.
Unless we have a constant evaluation in a common platform in real-world scenario, so we will not be able to tell that whether this technology is suitable or we can go for large-scale deployment in the field.
Data collected by the team is shared with developers.
We are actually working with the engineering field test team for the last 3 years. The engineering field test will help us, a technology developer, to have lesser surprises in the field or in the actual products, because they will analyze what are the surprises will come in a product development and they will try to fix it in the field itself.
The engineering field testing team is internationally recognized for establishing rigorous standardized testing procedures and for providing quality of service.
There is actually a lot of improvement, a lot of discussions and back and forth between our team and the field testing team in terms of, okay, what do they see that could solve problem A, B, or C? I think I see the value of the India EFT team as not only testing partners, but development partners.
Testing for a variety of user behaviors is critical because people may use technologies in unexpected ways.
Mental health and hygiene form a crucial determinant of women's participation in school as well as workplace. So we designed and developed the sanitation technology platforms based on the needs and the challenges faced by women on menstrual hygiene and disposal.
Opportunities for innovation are vast. The engineering field testing platform can be a model for how to transfer sanitation technologies into products and improve lives.
To learn more about the Engineering Field Testing platform, contact us.